Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pedro. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So guys, I'm back with another strategy now. So guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful strategy like this. So guys, inside this video I'm going to explain to you guys how you can trade with crash 500 on 5-minute time frames with this particular strategy. As you can see now, we have our profit that is running in this current trade. Now we see we have our trade that with 0.20 loss size, and we are earning $3 per trade on this. So guys, I'm going to show you the settings of this strategy now, and I'm going to show you how you can trade with this successfully. And we only have two indicator here, which we have the commodity channel index, we have the period of 200, we have the applied to typical price, and we have our style to be in blue color. We have our two permanent level here, which is the negative 100 and the positive 100. Then you press on done. So by doing this, we also have our oscillator. On this, we have the K period to be 1, we have our D period to be 1, we have our slowing to be 1, we have our applied feed to be low high, we have our method to be simple. And also make sure that your settings here is in the color of your background. So if you are using black, make sure you have you have black as a color that you are going to be selecting here. Then you press on done. Then have the same charts the way I have it here on my channel. As you can see now, I told you guys that the most benefit thing that you can do on trading boom and crash is to follow a trend. And by using this indicator, you can easily identify the trend of the market, because it's very accurate. Like what you are seeing at this particular area, we identify this level as a buy entry when our commodity channel index is moving towards our 15 level at this area. So it indicates to us that we have a buy entry. A buy entry is coming soon, so which will give us a best accurate for us to look for an entry at this particular area. You see now, you can find your entry at this particular area, and if you see that, the buys entry keep on moving until you have your full profit at this particular area. But at this level here, you can see that I've already checked it out here, because I did my analysis and I discovered that we have a uptrend, and that's why I can enter this particular trade at this level. So guys, I'm going to close it. I'm going to close those trades after I make this video finish. So guys, we have another at this area. You can see we have our rejection zone at this area, which indicates to us that we have our price level that is reaching above this area. You see that? So we have our level at this area, you see. So you can easily find your confirmation around this area, and you keep on set down your market on the best level. You see, a lot of things you can just use this to market, taking 4 to 5 candlestick every time you have your confirmation, and you will have another confirmation at this area. You see now, you can use it to catch up a spike, and you can also use it to the same thing to sell, to buy up a trade like what you have at this area. You see that? So we keep on moving a trade, and it was giving us a best accurate time to enter. You see, like what we have at this particular area. You see, sometimes the market might bring out a rejection for you, but don't get fear. Like what we see here, there's a reverse back here, but still we're still going to be making a lot of. Now I'm showing you a lot of way out. Now you see what happened here. Same thing happened here. We find another best entry at this area, and what you can see now is that we find our weight at this area, and what you can see is exactly this. Then you take your buy entry, keep on moving on the buy zone until you have your full profit. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop another powerful strategy like this. Thanks.